What if Brazilian waxing didn't have to be something you brace yourself for? What if it could actually feel calming, almost like a self-care ritual? That's what we're talking about today. Women over 40 don't rush beauty. We do it slowly, gently, and with wisdom. This is for the woman coming home to herself. Whether you're a mom, juggling the world, newly single, rediscovering your glow, or simply choosing softness, stay with me, because at the end, I'll show you the breathing rhythm that cuts discomfort nearly in half. Don't miss it. Let's begin. First, start with a calm mind. Before you even touch the wax, take one slow belly breath. Feel your stomach expand and then gently fall. Relax your jaw and let your shoulders drop. Don't even think about starting if you're rushed or stressed. This is your time, so claim it. A calm nervous system leads to a calmer waxing experience. Next, set up a peaceful space. Think soft lighting or a warm lamp. Gentle music or pure silence, whichever feels safest to you. Close the door. Privacy is key because it helps your nervous system relax. Find a comfortable seat or a spot on your bed. When you feel safe, your body's sensitivity naturally decreases. Step 3. Hydrate before you begin. Simply drink a glass of water. Hydrated skin is more elastic and stretches better, which means less sting. It also supports your skin's healing process afterward. The mindset here is to nourish your body, not punish it. Now, let's prep the skin. Clean the area gently using a mild, fragrance-free cleanser. Rinse with warm water and pat the skin dry. Don't rub it. Avoid any lotions, oils, or body sprays for now. A clean surface ensures a cleaner, more effective wax removal. On to exfoliation, but with a twist. You'll want to exfoliate the day before you wax, not the same day. Use a soft cloth or a gentle scrub in light, circular motions, focusing on the bikini line. This removes dead skin buildup and helps prevent future ingrown hairs. Right before you start, ensure the skin is completely dry. A tiny touch of cornstarch or baby powder can work wonders here. Any moisture will weaken the wax's grip, so making sure the area is dry leads to a much smoother pull. This one step alone can significantly reduce discomfort. Choosing the right wax is a game changer. Hard wax is so much kinder to mature skin because it grabs the hair, not the skin. Look for a low temperature, fragrance-free formula. Your comfort is absolutely worth investing in. And speaking of temperature, always test it first. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist. It should feel warm, never hot. Stir the wax regularly to maintain even heat and retest it every few minutes. Your safety always comes first. Next, let's talk hair length. You want to trim it to about the length of a grain of rice. If it's too long, the pull will feel sharper. Too short, and the wax won't be able to grip it. Use small scissors carefully and go slow. Finding that balanced length makes the whole process easier. Now for the technique. Look closely at your hair because the growth patterns can vary. You'll apply the wax in the same direction as the hair growth, and then remove it against the growth. This precision is where technique meets tenderness, and it truly reduces that sharp sensation. Apply the wax in slow, smooth strokes. This gives you better control. Press lightly to help it adhere, and always leave a thicker tab at the end to give you something to lift. There is no need to rush this. Beauty honors time. As you go, your hands will feel more and more confident. Just before you pull, stretch the skin. Use your free hand to create gentle tension. This simple action reduces the sensation almost instantly. Your body responds to support, so think of this as a team effort. Stretch plus breathe equals a calm technique. This step honestly changes everything. And here's a powerful tool. Exhale during the pull. Take a slow inhale right before, and as you remove the strip, exhale fully. This signals safety to your nervous system. You'll find that the discomfort lessens when your breathing leads the way. Your breath is your superpower here. Also, remember that you're not trying to wax the entire area at once. Work in small, manageable zones. A good pattern is to start with the outer areas, move to the sides, then the center, and finally the inner sections. This keeps you emotionally in control because your mind has time to adapt. Tenderness over toughness, always. Once you're done, it's all about aftercare. Soothe the skin with a pure aloe vera, chamomile, or oat-infused gel. Wear loose, soft cotton underwear and avoid heat, sweating, and friction for the next 24 hours. Hydrate your body and let your skin rest. Comfort comes first, and beauty will follow. And just a quick reminder, don't skip ahead. That special breathing method is coming up, and trust me, it makes everything easier. Here's another pro tip. Warm your body before you wax. A quick warm shower helps soften the skin and hair follicles. Warmth increases blood flow and reduces tension. Even just wrapping a warm towel around your hips for a few minutes can help. Think of it as softening the body before you ask it to release. For the most sensitive spots, use smaller amounts of wax. The inner zones require more respect, not force. Smaller strips give you more control and create less of a shock to the system. Move slowly and patiently. Your comfort is the priority. Tenderness is a strength here, not a weakness. Throughout the process, listen to your body's signals. If you feel anxiety creeping in, pause and breathe. If your shoulders tighten up, consciously drop them. If your breath becomes short, lengthen your exhale. Body tension amplifies sensation. Softness reduces it. Being present is your most powerful tool. Timing also matters. Try to avoid waxing right before your cycle. Your skin can be much more sensitive in the 3 days leading up to and during your period. If you can, schedule your wax outside of this window. This isn't about being weak, it's about working with your body's wisdom. Keep your hands steady. A steady hand communicates confidence and creates a smoother experience. Rest your elbows against your body for stability and move the applicator slowly and intentionally. Let the wax lay on the skin. Don't scrape it. Patience, not pressure, builds confidence. After you've removed all the wax, you can use a gentle oil to soothe and restore the skin. Jojoba coconut or grapeseed oil are all wonderful choices. Apply it with soft, nurturing motions, gliding and patting, not rubbing. The oil will also help remove any tiny bits of leftover wax naturally. Afterward, choose soft, loose clothing. Let your skin breathe. Cotton is much better than synthetic fabrics, so avoid tight leggings, jeans, or nylon for a day. Your skin needs space to settle and heal. Remember, comfort is a form of care, and please, be kind to yourself if you need to pause. If you need a break, honor that. Sip some water, rest your shoulders, and breathe. There is no such thing as perfection in personal care. This is a practice, and it gets easier with time. You are learning your body, not fighting it. Finally, try to maintain a routine. Waxing every 3 to 5 weeks helps build a rhythm. The hair will return finer and softer. The sensation will reduce as your body adapts, and the process will become quicker each time. Your confidence grows with familiarity. Okay, are you ready for the breathing technique I promised? It's called the 4 to 6 breath. Here's how you do it. Right before you pull the wax strip, you're going to inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath for a count of 2. Then, as you pull the strip, you exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. That long exhale is key. It triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest system, which instantly calms your body and dampens the sharp sensation. Let's try it together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale and pull, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Practice this, and it will become your anchor. When you're all finished, take a moment to celebrate. Stand or sit comfortably. Place your hand gently on your lower belly and say something loving to yourself, like, "This is me choosing myself." Remember that aging doesn't dim beauty, it deepens it. This isn't about vanity, it's about connecting with yourself. Thank you so much for joining me in this gentle practice today. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content on embracing beauty with wisdom and grace. See you next time.